Welcome to My Plan Cake, a vegan, healthy online school. My name is Olga Mankova and I'm a pastry chef with over 3 years experience in healthy, vegan and gluten-free cake business. And I'm really excited to meet you here and to invite you to the world of wholesome desserts, the world that I created into my online cake school. For a long time, I've been an owner of an exceptional cake shop. Exceptional because I always receiving a very special requests. So dairy-free, eggs-free and gluten-free, it's very easy to make. More often, almost every day, I started receiving more specific requests. So nut-free, peanut-free, coconut-free, caffeine-free, sugar-free, even avocado-free, sometimes banana-free, and low carbs, diabetic-friendly, keto-friendly. So a lot of free ingredients should be avoided from the cakes. And yes, I did it. And I did all these cakes just using raw vegan cake techniques. And because of this quite big experience, because of my very close communications with the customers, I really know how to make very delicious cake without all this free food that would be loved by your family. When even non-vegans will love vegan cakes, when kids would be mind-blowing to eat these cakes. And I decided to make this course to help you, my dear friends, to make the same cakes at home. And first of all, this course is created for moms, because mothers are the most amazing my customers, because mothers know better how important the food quality for their kids. However, I know what do you think. You have a very busy life, you are not sure if you will be able to make these cakes, and you probably think that your husband or your kids would not like these cakes. But please trust me. I made over 2,000 cakes and I have 97% of 5-star reviews. The cakes are really very delicious. Also, please trust me, you will be able to make these cakes by yourself. I will share with you all my skills, all my secrets, and it will be helpful for you to achieve self-confidence at the kitchen more faster. And also, please remember that raw vegan cakes are not baked cakes. Nothing can be burned, overmixed, overbaked, underbaked. Raw vegan cakes are very different, super easy and super fast to make, and they are more nutritious. So, first of all, this course for busy moms. But I invite everyone who is health conscious, who has a dream to stop craving sugar crap and make a shift to more healthful lifestyle. So please sign up and let's create something extremely delicious and very fast and easy to make together.